From age 20 to 55, know this. 1. Take care of your body. Remember, health is another form of wealth. 2. Normalize walking some paths alone because goals are personal. 3. Don't waste your energy on fear. Use your energy to believe. Learn, create, and grow. 4. If you want to be happy, always have zero expectations of others. 5. Don't try to change anyone, change how you deal with them. 6. You won't be young forever. Do what makes you happy every day. 7. Be mature enough to control your emotions. Learn to react less. 8. Free yourself from society's advice. Most of them have no idea what they're doing. 9. Your circle is supposed to be proud, not jealous. 10. Master self-discipline plus consistency, and watch your life change. 11. The family you create is more important than the family you come from. 12. Don't go broke trying to impress people.